Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Daniel and today we're going to be making another salsa verde, okay guys? So for this recipe we're going to be using 10 jalapenos, 4 tomatillos, these are the green tomatoes. Then we got 2 cloves of garlic, and then we got a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of oregano. And we're also using a quarter cup of water, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and start putting in the tomatoes, and all these are pre-washed, guys. So put in the tomatoes. I'm gonna put in all the chiles, okay? And then 2 cloves of garlic, the salt and the oregano. That's to taste too, but I just put a teaspoon because that's the way we like it. And then a quarter cup of water. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and close this lid. Alright guys, we're gonna come over here and put blend right here in the medium, and we're gonna let it go for like 2 or 3 times just to get everything mixed up. And then we're gonna go ahead and put soup on. Okay, so once you got that done, we're coming back over here and we're gonna go to soup 1. Okay, and we'll let that heat up and everything, and the salsa should be done by then. Okay. Now, one other ingredient that I'm gonna be using is cilantro. Okay, so it's gonna be 1 handful of cilantro. And we're going to be using it towards the end of the cooking of the salsa. Alright guys, so we got about a minute left, so let's go ahead and add our, holy moly, watch it, this thing is super hot guys. We'll go ahead and add our cilantro through the top. And then we're going to close it back up, guys. Be careful because it's super hot. That's where all the steam's coming from. Duh, Daniel. Come on. But anyways, it's gonna keep liquefying, whatever, and we should be good to go. Alright? Peace. Okay, guys, so it's done. It didn't blend like how I thought it was going to. So what we're gonna do is just go back to medium blend right here. Just for a couple seconds. We're gonna put cancel, medium blend, and it should blend it up in like 5 seconds or so. That's all you need. Alright guys, so the salsa is done, and we're gonna go ahead and pour it on here, and I'm gonna use it on my tamales that we made from this other video. So check that out and see how you like it. Check out this salsa, guys. And this is how I eat this bad boy. Smells incredible. Go ahead and try it. It's got good flavor, guys. The salsa is really good. It's not super spicy or anything. It has just a really good flavor for these tamales. You could use it with chips or whatever on top of tacos. So just go ahead, give us a like, and remember, only the strong subscribe.